ChatGPT 4.0, OpenAI's new flagship model, has an impressive capability outperforming its predecessors. But with any powerful tool, there's a learning curve. To help you navigate the ins and outs of ChatGPT 4.0, we've compiled 17 mind-blowing tips that every beginner must know. From crafting the perfect prompt to unlocking its hidden features, this guide will turn you into a ChatGPT 4 Pro in no time. Multimodal inputs. One of the groundbreaking features of ChatGPT 4.0 is its support for multimodal inputs. This capability allows users to integrate not just text, but also images, audio, and video when creating and analyzing content. This means you can input various types of media alongside written text to enhance the depth and richness of communication and analysis. Multimodal inputs significantly expand the range of tasks and applications where ChatGPT can be employed effectively. For instance, in content creation, you can provide visual aids such as graphs, charts, or photographs along with textual descriptions. This allows for clearer and more comprehensive explanations or presentations of complex topics. Specific and clear questions. When you start using the chatbot, it's important to begin with a clear and straightforward question or prompt. This helps to get the best possible responses from the other person or the AI. Instead of asking general or unclear questions, it's better to be specific. Specific questions help to get answers that are more accurate and directly related to what you need. For example, instead of asking, "How was your day?" which could lead to a broad answer, you might ask, "What did you work on today?" This way, you're more likely to get detailed and focused information in response. Extended context window. ChatGPT 4.0 includes a remarkable feature with an extended context window that supports up to 32,000 tokens. This enhancement enables the model to maintain a stronger grasp of context during lengthy conversations. For example, if you're discussing a complex topic or having a lengthy conversation, ChatGPT 4.0 can keep track of all the key points and information, ensuring that the conversation stays clear and focused. With this extended context window, you can explore deeper topics without the worry of losing track of what was said earlier. Context matters. When you're interacting with ChatGPT or any AI, it's helpful to give it context to better understand what you're talking about. Context means providing additional information or background details related to the topic or situation you're discussing. For example, if you're asking ChatGPT a question about a specific problem you're facing at work, you might provide context by explaining the project you're working on, the challenges you're encountering, and what you've already tried to solve the problem. This helps ChatGPT to better grasp the specifics of your situation and provide more relevant advice or information. Conversation styles. When you talk to ChatGPT 4.0, you can make it feel more like a natural conversation by adjusting how it speaks. Whether you like to chat formally or in a more relaxed way, ChatGPT 4.0 can change the way it talks to match your preference. This flexibility means you can have more interesting and personalized chats with it, which makes your overall experience better. It's all about making your interactions with ChatGPT 4.0 feel comfortable and tailored to how you like to communicate. Role-playing scenarios. You can use ChatGPT to practice and improve your skills by simulating real-life situations. This means you can engage in conversations that mimic everyday interactions or professional scenarios. For example, you can practice job interviews, customer service conversations, or even discussions with friends. ChatGPT can simulate different roles or situations to help you sharpen your communication, problem-solving, and decision-making abilities. By practicing with ChatGPT in this way, you can gain confidence and enhance your skills in handling various real-life situations effectively. Customize responses. You can customize ChatGPT's responses by giving it specific instructions. This means you can tell ChatGPT exactly how you want it to respond, tailoring its answers to fit your preferences or needs precisely. By providing these personalized instructions, you can ensure that ChatGPT provides outputs that are more relevant and aligned with what you're looking for. This customization feature allows you to make ChatGPT's responses more suitable for your specific goals or tasks, enhancing your overall interaction and satisfaction with the AI. Creative writing. ChatGPT 4.0 is a helpful tool for creative writing. Whether you're writing stories for fun or work, it can assist you in many ways, like coming up with ideas for plots, creating interesting characters, or giving you prompts to start writing. All you have to do is make a request. If you're stuck and need inspiration, ChatGPT 4.0 can give you suggestions to get your creativity flowing. It's like having a virtual assistant that helps you brainstorm and develop your ideas. For those who write as a hobby or professionally, ChatGPT 4.0 is a valuable resource. It can guide you through the process of writing, offering tips and ideas along the way. Improve fact-checking. To make sure the information generated by ChatGPT 4.0 is accurate, you can use multi-step prompts for fact-checking. This means breaking down the process of verifying information into smaller steps. By doing this, you can carefully check how reliable the information is before accepting it as true. This feature is especially useful when dealing with important or sensitive information where accuracy is crucial. It helps you double-check details and ensure that the content you receive is trustworthy and correct. This way, you can rely on ChatGPT 4.0 to provide accurate information that meets your needs. Multi-language coding. You can use ChatGPT 4.0 to help you convert code from one programming language to another. This is helpful when you're working on projects that involve different programming languages. Instead of rewriting everything from scratch, ChatGPT 4.0 can quickly translate the code for you. This makes it easier to work across different languages and speeds up the development process. For example, if you have code in Python but need it in JavaScript, ChatGPT 4.0 can assist by converting it seamlessly. It's a handy tool that saves time and effort in programming tasks involving multiple languages. Enhanced summarization. With ChatGPT, you can easily condense long pieces of writing into shorter summaries. This helps you save time and effort by quickly getting the main points without having to read through everything in detail. Whether it's a lengthy article, a complex document, or even a book, ChatGPT can provide concise summaries that capture the essential information. This feature is especially useful when you need to grasp the main ideas or key arguments without delving into all the details. It's a convenient tool for anyone looking to efficiently absorb information or prepare for discussions and presentations. Prompt chains. When you're interacting with ChatGPT, using sequential prompts can help you get better and more accurate responses. Sequential prompts mean asking follow-up questions or providing more details step by step. This helps ChatGPT understand exactly what you're looking for and gives it more context to provide a precise answer. For example, instead of asking a single broad question, you can break it down into smaller parts or ask for specific details one at a time. This method allows ChatGPT to focus on each part of your inquiry, resulting in more refined and detailed outputs that better meet your needs. Step-by-step explanations. ChatGPT can help by providing step-by-step explanations to simplify complex ideas. This feature is especially valuable for educational purposes because it enables learners to understand difficult subjects more effectively. If you're struggling to comprehend a challenging concept or need to follow a detailed process, you can ask ChatGPT 4.0 to break it down for you step by step. For instance, if you're learning about a complicated scientific theory or a technical procedure, ChatGPT can guide you through each part sequentially, making it easier to digest and understand. Analyze feature. With ChatGPT 4.0, you can upload data sets for thorough analysis and visualization. This means you can input large sets of data, such as spreadsheets or databases, into ChatGPT 4.0. Once uploaded, the AI can analyze the data to uncover patterns, trends, or insights that may not be immediately apparent. Additionally, ChatGPT 4.0 can create visual representations of the data, such as charts or graphs, to help you understand and interpret the information more easily. This feature enables in-depth examination of data, making it useful for tasks like research, decision-making, or understanding complex information sets. Visual problem solving. ChatGPT 4.0 excels in analyzing images, allowing users to engage in visual problem solving by uploading relevant images. This capability enables the AI to provide actionable advice and creative ideas based on the visual data it processes. This feature is particularly valuable in fields such as design, architecture, and engineering, where visual elements are integral to making informed decisions and solving complex problems. For example, if you are a designer, you can upload sketches or concepts to receive feedback on aesthetics and functionality. Architects can use it to analyze floor plans or building designs for optimizations. Engineers can upload diagrams or prototypes to explore potential improvements or troubleshoot issues. Custom GPTs. There are many customized versions of ChatGPT designed for specific tasks such as coding and creating content. These versions, often referred to as GPTs, generative pre-trained transformers, are tailored to excel in particular areas of expertise. For example, there are GPTs specialized in helping with coding tasks, providing suggestions, and writing code snippets. Similarly, there are GPTs focused on content creation, assisting with writing articles and stories, or even generating ideas. Using these customized GPTs can greatly enhance productivity and efficiency in tasks that require specialized knowledge or creativity. Language learning. You can improve your language skills by using ChatGPT to learn new words and phrases. ChatGPT can provide you with specific vocabulary words and show you how they are used in example sentences. This helps you understand how to use these words correctly in different contexts. By expanding your vocabulary this way, you can become more confident in expressing yourself clearly and effectively in both writing and speaking. If you have made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.